Okay, we're back. I do not know what I did, but this is so awesome. This is a series of mixed up paints that have all different kinds of colors. I've got a variety of pouring mediums. There's absolutely no silicone in this whatsoever. There's a couple of cloud mixes in here. One of the key ingredients I used in all of my paints this time was GAC 500, so that's a gloss extender. It's going to make everything dry a lot slower, but I just wanted you to see this. This is about 2 minutes since I stopped tilting, and you can see so many things are developing in here. The overall colors are, I'm going to have to get used to them, but they're very muted and earthy and very, very pretty. There's a lot of movement, which is what always is my goal. I'm always looking for composition, movement, places to rest the eye, and other places that draw the eye in. So I'm going to let this sit and see what else develops for about maybe 30 minutes, and I'll be back and show you what happens. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 45 minutes. Gave me a chance to clean up my studio, put the paints away, and let this continue to process. I have to admit there was still so much paint I did have to tip it a little bit, which moved away some of those big fat cells that were happening that quite frankly looked like silicone, so I'm glad they're gone. But instead left these amazing cell structures, lacing, just some beautiful fields of mixed metallic paint. I love that it feels like a topographical map, looking at the earth from above. This is one of my favorite pieces. I can't wait to see how it dries.